Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. Today is a special day because we are introducing our course for C++ and these will complement our courses. We have Unity and C# and now we got Unreal and we will have C++. So starting this course, I found that one of the most important things to do is a small introduction to the solutions and projects, where basically the solution is the parent of each project that you have, and we'll get there in a second. First, I need you to open your Visual Studio version. I have 2019 and I'm pretty fine with it. Here you can see some of the projects that I have opened up in Visual Studio before, and here on the right you can read Get Started. So we have 4 options: clone a repository, open a project or solution, open a local folder, or create a new project. From these 4 options, we want to create a new project. So I put create new project, and I've got empty project or console app. So we are picking console app, and we can do next down here. And now we can pick the project name and the solution name and the location of the file. So in the project, I will say project, and I put underscore plus equal, just so I know. In the solution name, you want to actually rename this to solution. So we have project and solution with different names. Don't forget to pick a location for your project. I just have updated mine, and we can put create. Okay, these have opened up the Visual Studio for us with our project plus equal.cpp open here. Well, this is pretty much the same if you put the empty project. Only difference, you wouldn't get any stuff inside this, and you would need to change a parameter here inside the project properties. So project properties. Remember that this is only if you put empty project instead of console app. And here in the subsystem, you want it to be console, so you can pick it right here. And this will do it. This will put it also cool, and it will run on the console as it should. In case you went with the empty project instead of the other option that we just picked. So what we have here, it says project plus equal cpp. This file contains the main function. Program execution begins and ends there. And we also got something here. And then we have a lot of comments telling us how to run the program with Control plus F5 and so on. So if I went to run the program with Control F5, it will run on the Microsoft Visual Studio Debug Console, and we got here, hello world. And if you press any key, it will close this window. If you would like to add new files, you can do this in different ways. You can come to source files, where your CPP files need to be connected with, and you can say add new item, and then you can enter your C++ file and put its name and add. Or you can also come to file and create new file, and this will get you in the same way. Well, the only problem is that your file might be not connected here in the source files. So if that's the case, you need to come to source files and put add existent item, and then you can link your created file here on the top and put it here. That's how you do it. We don't need any of that because we already got our C++ file here connected to the source file, and as you saw, it seems working, running the program. That's all we need for this tutorial. So that's it, guys. In the next tutorial, we might clean this up, all these comments and stuff, and we will be introducing some syntax. That's right, some C++ syntax coming. So I hope you guys learned how to set up your project and solution with Visual Studio, and I will see you in the next tutorial. We got a long way and we got a lot of stuff to cover. So stick with us. I will see you next time. Thank you a lot for watching. See you there.